What's up, everybody? Welcome to my newest vlog. Zane again, aka Guitar. So I'm gonna be unboxing this fast. So I'm gonna be opening a Pocket Travel basketball. So these are the instructions. I'll give you guys a time. Okay, so I'll pause the video because I'm gonna open this thing. And especially I'm gonna assemble it. I open it now, so I'm gonna assemble it. Okay guys, I finally assembled it, but the hoop is kind of a little bit funny. So all you have to do is just to play. Take a ball.
Mama,
So there's a portion right here. You must take a ball. I cannot believe this thing. My mom's there. So put the ball right here. All you have to do is just tap. Bruh! I don't even know how to put this thing. Liam! Right guys, I don't know how to play this thing, so bye, like, subscribe. I'll be opening